discouraging egg-laying pet birds. Parrots in the wild do not lay eggs unless they have a mate and a suitable nesting site. In captivity, however, some parrots lay eggs despite the absence of a mate or a nest site. Egg production is stressful for birds. It depletes their nutritional stores and predisposes birds to malnutrition, osteoporosis, and reproductive problems. In situations where birds are being internationally bred, these risks are inherent part of the breeding process. For pet birds that are not being used for breeding, however, egg-laying poses serious health risks without offering any benefits. Unfortunately, due to differences in anatomy, birds cannot be spayed in the same way as a dog or a cat can, without option of a permanent surgical solution. The most effective way to stop egg laying involves making changes in the bird's environment. When environmental change is not a persistent deterrent to egg laying, hormone blocking medications can be used to turn off the reproductive cycle. If your parrot is laying unwanted eggs, follow these 9 rules to stop the behavior. Put your bird to bed early. A long day's length is one of the most important environmental cues triggering egg laying in birds. By allowing your bird to stay up late, you are mimicking the long days of spring summer, making your bird think it's time to breed. An early bedtime will help to turn off her breeding hormones. She will need complete darkness and quiet for this to be effective. Covering the cage while the radio or TV is still on is often not adequate. Keep your bird away from dark, enclosed spaces. Parrots are cavity nesters and look for dark, enclosed spaces in which to lay their eggs. In order to stop your bird from laying eggs, it is essential that she is kept away from such areas. Nest boxes, if available, should be removed. Birds should be closely supervised when out of the cage and not allowed in dark space, such as under the couch, behind a microwave, or in a cabinet. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching.